So let me tell you one thing, or I think that I only noticed that thing about carnivorous diet. So you have seen a lot of camera is off me. A lot of these entrepreneurs, richest entrepreneurs, they have the craziest physiques and the most attractive and shredded one. Then I thought one day, how did they get that physique? Because I have never seen them eating a specific diet or saying in any of their videos like I eat this much protein, I eat this much carbs, I eat this much that, or I eat this type of diet, or I do not eat this type of diet. All I have seen is they eat only steak, beef, and that's the secret, bro. That's the craziest secret that no bodybuilder, no influencers, no gym rat are saying to you, is that eating carnivorous diet, low carbs diet, या फिर मैं सीधा डायरेक्टली बोलूँ तो eating beef, specifically steak, will get you the most shredded, most attractive body that a man ever needs, that a masculine man ever needs, and that is crazy. So this whole point is about carnivorous diet. अब ये तो चलो मेरा व्यू पॉइंट है, and I don't know why people are not talking about this, that all the influencers बोल रहा हूँ, all the entrepreneurs, even if you want live example, see Imam Ghazi, his body is very athletic, very aesthetic, very attractive. See the owner of Telegram, he's damn jacked. See Hamza, he's damn jacked. They are shredded to their bones, and they are crazy looking guys, crazy looking men, and they show what masculinity is. And I want to say, this is in the morning and I am feeling so damn good, and you can see the difference, bro, in my face. I have just eaten not a week, only 5 days, only pure ekdam, not a little bit of carbs, pure carnivorous, या फिर no fiber or no carbs diet, and that's the crazy results. Even I will put some photos of mine in that 4 days which I took yesterday, and these photos are crazy. Let me tell you benefits of carnivorous diet. First of all, it reduces brain fog. It gives you more vitamins, minerals than any type of protein you will ever eat. It will give a man, a human, what it needs, what nutrition values it needs. स्पेसिफिकली मैं अगर बात कर रहा हूँ तो ये स्टेक की बात कर रहा हूँ कार्निवोरस डाइट में भी, नॉट रेड मीट, नॉट goat meat, not chicken, specific beef steak. And if you can't afford that, or you can't have beef in your locality or steak, then eat low carbs diet or eggs, especially 10 eggs a day with whole yolks, and do not waste them no matter what, no matter what. And I thought, let's make this video in the morning, and you can hear the voices of the birds chirping. Let me show you. So that is the whole video. The whole point is that eat carnivorous diet. Don't listen to these influencers, these gym rats they think that we can manage our diet. We should not avoid carbs, or you should do this, or eat sugar before going to the gym. It will give you crazy pumps. First of all, this is for the people who think that sugar is good for men or good for humans. It's the worst thing you can ever eat. Remember that, and watch this again. I will say it again. Sugar is the worst thing you can ever eat. Remember that. And that's the video. Eat as much as steak you can, because if you see these entrepreneurs, they never measure their carbs, because they don't eat carbs, and their protein, because they don't have to measure protein. They have enough. That's the thing of money, having a lot of money, and that's what we are chasing. I am chasing. And if you want that aesthetic body, or you want to specifically reduce your brain fog totally, or reduction of screen time totally, go through the link below. And it's crazy, I'm saying that this again. The plans I have made, the guides I have made are crazy. You will never regret it. So just go through the link, click it. And that's the video. Eat carnivorous diet as much as you can. Eat low carb diets if you can't eat totally carnivorous diet, and that will change your perspective, that will change your thinking process, that will change your body, that will change your face structure. And that's it. I'm not showing these unreal truths which people show on social media about their faces, that they do this exercise, they do this exercise, they do that exercise for their faces to reduce fat. And this is what I have done in 4 days. No exercise, no nothing. And that's is all by carnivorous diet. So eat that, eat much as much beef you can eat, as much as meat you can eat. And that's the thing that men need. Baki, yeah, this is the normal video. And see the weather, bro, in the morning. That's crazy. Alhamdulillah. बाकी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आई बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ, आई बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ, आई बिलीव इन अल्लाह सुब्हान व तआला. बाकी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.